Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my 12 days of Christmas makeup looks that I'll be doing between now and Christmas. We started off with a red lip and a pretty neutral eye colour. Today we're going to do basically the opposite. We're going to go with a really bold smoky dark eye colour and a neutral lip. I've already started and done my base because I done my base in the other video, so if you want to do that you can watch that one. So today I'm just going to go through the eyeshadow and the lips with you. So I'm just going to get right on into it. So yeah, I'll zoom these in and we'll get into it. So I'm starting off with a orange, reddy kind of colour, and I'm just going to focus that on the outer corner and run it through my crease. Now I'm going to get a clean fluffy brush and I'm just going to buff out the edges and make sure we blend it through, make sure there's no blunt edges. Like that. Now we're going to take a smaller fluffy brush and we are going to take a deep like purple brown shade and we are going to put this here on the outer corner through to the crease, but not as high up as you've done the other colour. So this colour is going to be more concentrated on the outside of the eye. So we're going to concentrate that here. I'm going to work it in a little bit but not too much. At this point if it looks a bit messy, don't worry about it because it'll all come together in the end. Right, now we're just going to use the same brush and we're going to get the darkest brown shade that we have and we're going to darken that edge just a little bit. Like so. And then we're going to take the big fluffy brush again and we're just going to blend that all in. Blend it all together. So now we're going to go through the colours again and we're going to go underneath the eye, so we're going to need a smaller brush and we're going to start off with that burnt orange we used and we're going to go all the way across the crease. Then we're going to go in with the brown shade and the purple shade, mix them two together and we'll do that towards the outer corner like that. So now that's done, what I'm going to do is I've got these gorgeous like shimmer foil colours and one of them is a gorgeous red colour. Oh. So it matches the burnt orange shade that we started with in the crease, but a shimmer version of it, and I just think it's so pretty. So now that the shimmer's on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of highlight to the inner corner there and I'm just going to tidy up around the eye. Right, so guys, that is that eye finished. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head off camera, I'm going to finish the other eye and then we'll be back to do the lips and the finished look. Hello everyone, we're back. So I've done the other eye, I've applied some mascara, some bronzer, oh, blend that into my hairline a bit, So yeah, I've done some bronzer, pretty much exactly the same as everything I did in my last video. It's just for this video the eyes and the lips are different, so that's all I'll be showing you in this video. So now we're going to move on to the lips and nude lip choices, and one of my favourite ones. I can't find it. Should have known it had been in that makeup bag, because that's the one that I took to the airport not long ago. Right, so the one I like to use is Blank Tea by MAC, but it is quite light, so I like to line my lips first and then put the lipstick on. Right, so there's the liner on. As you can see, I really do use this one a lot. Like, it's basically all gone. Right, so guys, that is the finished look for today. So this is the bold smoky eye with the nude lip. So guys, that is the finished look, and by the looks of it just in time, because my battery is now flashing on me. Battery is about to die, it's flashing in the corner at me. So thanks so much for watching. So I hope if the red lip look wasn't for you, then hopefully this is a bit more up your street, or if you're more into the smoky eye rather than neutral eye, then maybe this is for you. And I really like that coppery red orangey glitter. It just looks so nice, and it matched that matte colour so well. If they were all Makeup Revolution palettes that I used. Really pretty. Lip is really simple, very nude, but the eye stands out. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.